globally recognized online course for GHG and carbon footprint simple guide and industry benefits. Topics covered in this video. Terms related to this topic. Industries responsible and reasons. Benefits of implementing strategies. What is greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases are the gases in the atmosphere that raise the surface temperature of planets such as the Earth. Example, CO2, CH4, N2O, etc. What is climate change? Climate change refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns. These shifts may be natural or due to human activities. What is carbon footprint? A carbon footprint is a calculated value or index that makes it possible to compare the total amount of greenhouse gases that an activity, product, company or country adds to the atmosphere. What is net zero? Carbon neutrality. Net zero carbon neutrality means achieving a balance between the carbon emitted into the atmosphere and the carbon removed from it. Which industries are highly responsible for GHG? Responsible industries: energy production, transportation, manufacturing and industry, agriculture, deforestation and land use, residential and commercial buildings. Reasons for the industrial emission: burning fossil fuels for electricity and heat, transportation fuel, cement and steel production. Livestock produces methane through digestion. Clearing forests reduces CO2 absorption. Benefits of implementing net zero strategies. Environmental benefits: reduce the impact of climate change, improve air and water quality. Economic benefits: cost saving through energy efficiency, access to new markets and investments. Social benefits: healthier communities due to reduced pollution, increased corporate reputation and customer loyalty. What are we offering for GHG and carbon footprint? E-learning courses: certified carbon footprint professional training, carbon footprint and net zero strategies implementer training, carbon footprint project implementer training, carbon footprint management and reporting, carbon footprint quantification and measurement training, demonstrating carbon neutrality training. Objectives of these courses: understanding of greenhouse gases, their sources, and global warming potential. Carbon footprint or greenhouse gas emissions of an organization. Quantification and reporting of the carbon footprint of an organization. Features of e-learning course. Our courses are accessible 24/7, providing you with the flexibility to learn at any time and from anywhere. Enroll now and get certified. Visit our website